Hey guys, we're back with another video, and in this video we are going to learn how you can create challenge exams for your LearnDash courses. Now, a challenge exam in LearnDash basically allows your users to skip ahead a course by answering a set of questions prior to starting the course. Once the user passes the exam, they will automatically complete the assigned course. So in this video, we are going to learn how you can create that challenge exam. Now, we already have a LearnDash website ready, and we have also logged into our WordPress dashboard, as you can see. We already have some of our courses over here. Let's take a look at these. All right, so these are our courses, and I want to create a challenge exam for this particular course, Building an SEO Foundation. So for that, we are going to simply go to the challenge exams over here. You can find this option over here. So we're going to click on it. As you can see, we haven't created any challenge exams yet, so we're going to click on this button to create our first challenge exam. Now we can add a challenge exam title, so let's go ahead and add a title. So this is the title that we have chosen for our challenge exam, Building an SEO Foundation, which is the name of our course, and we added challenge exam at the end. Now we can add questions. Now, as you can see, by default, the single choice question has been selected. You can change your question type from over here. You can either choose single or multiple choice. It's up to you. Now, one thing that you'll notice is LearnDash actually has 8 question categories or question types, such as fill in the blanks, sorting, matrix sorting, etc. But for challenge exams, we will only be able to use the single choice and multiple choice. So let's go ahead and create a single choice question first. Alright, so our question is, which of the following is not usually considered a direct SEO factor? Here we can actually add a description to our question if we want. So we added a description, although this is not compulsory, but you can add it if you want. Now we are going to add in the options. So this is our first option. And then to add another option, we can simply click over here and add the answer. And after adding the answer, you can see the other option has already been created. Now we will add the third option and finally the fourth option. Here it is. Now we have 4 options, and from these 4 options, we will have to choose the correct one. So this is the correct option, and that is how you can create your challenge exam questions. So we are going to click on this plus button to create another question. All right, so now let's add another question. So our question is, which of the following HTML tags provide important information about a web page and is often used by search engines to understand its content? So this is the correct answer, and we're not going to add any description for this question. So like this, you can actually add as many questions as you want. Now, we are going to skip the video ahead and add a few more questions to our challenge exam. Alright, we created our questions, and as you can see, we have 5 questions over here. And we also added a multiple choice question. Which of the following is a common method for keyword research in SEO? So there are 4 options and 3 of these are correct, as you can see. You can also add correct answer message for each of these questions. So after a student answers a question correctly, the correct answer message will be shown. And if you want, you can also add an incorrect answer message. So if a student answers a question incorrectly, this message will be shown. But we are not going to add any of these right now. So that's our challenge exam. Now we can click on publish to publish this challenge exam, but we have to look at the settings first. So we're going to go to the settings tab over here, and these will be the challenge exam settings. So the first option that you see over here is the new enrollees only. So if we click over here, it's going to explain to us what this is. Show challenge exam to users that have a status of not started for the course. So the challenge exam will be only available for those students who haven't actually started the course at all. Okay. So if we disable this, every student will be able to take the challenge exam. Whether a student is in the middle of the course or just starting out or almost finished the course, they can take the challenge exam. So normally many course creators try to keep it enabled so that the students who haven't started the course can take this challenge exam and pass the course if they want. But if you have a different requirement, you can disable this, okay? Then you have to choose the course for which the challenge exam will be applied to. So from here, if we click on this drop down, it's going to search for all our courses, and you can see Building an SEO Foundation, it's over here. We're going to select this course. Next, we will have to select which course the students will pass upon successful completion of this challenge exam. So from this drop down, we can select our course. In case you select another course such as Google Analytics, what will happen is when students successfully pass this challenge exam, they're going to be passing this course instead of this course, Building an SEO Foundation. So we don't want that. We will be selecting this course. The next two sections are for situations when the students pass or fail the challenge exam. So when the students pass, they are going to see a message and then they're going to see a button. So you can choose what message you want to display and what will be the label of the button and what will be the URL of the button. So when students click on this button, where it will redirect the users to. So I'm going to write a message over here. Okay. And for the exam passed button label, we're simply going to write passed. And if you have course completion page, you can add the URL of this page over here. If you leave it empty, it will still redirect the users to the course page once they click on the button. In the next section, what will happen if students fail to pass this challenge exam? So we're going to write a failed message first. We're going to say, sorry, you need to take the course. Now we're going to add the button label. We're simply going to call it take course, and we're going to add the URL of our course page and paste it over here. So when students click on this button, it will redirect them to the course page. So once you're done, you can simply click on publish to publish your challenge exam. Now, if we go back, we can see that our challenge exam has been created. We can see for which course it was created. We can also see which course the students will pass upon successful completion of this challenge exam. Now, in order to see how the challenge exam looks like from a student's perspective, we have signed in to our LearnDash e-learning site as a student. Now, let's go ahead and see what our challenge exam looks like. We're going to go to the courses page. From here, we're going to select our course. And this is our course. And for this video, we have made this course free. And now we're going to enroll to this course. And as soon as we enroll, we will see this challenge exam. So we cannot see any course content. It will actually prompt us to take the challenge exam so we can test our knowledge. If we successfully pass this challenge exam, we're going to be completing this entire course without even taking the course. So let's go ahead and click on the Start Challenge Exam button. And for this time, let's answer all the questions correctly. Let's pass this challenge exam and see what happens. Alright, so we have passed the challenge exam. You can see the messages over here. We can click on the button. It will lead us to the course page. And when we click on the button, it's going to lead us to the same page. Although we didn't add the URL of the button, it's still leading us to the course page. And you also notice that we unlocked an achievement over here. If you guys are interested in learning how to create achievements for your courses, you can check out our video tutorial. We have a tutorial on this topic. We will put the link in the video description. Now we want to see what will happen if we fail the challenge exam. So we signed in as another student. So let's go ahead and go to courses and click on the Building an SEO Foundation. Now we're going to enroll to this course. And now let's start the challenge exam. Now for challenge exam, you will have to answer each and every question successfully. If you fail even one question, you will fail the challenge exam. So let's actually answer this question incorrectly. So this was the wrong answer. And you can see that we have failed this challenge exam. It says, sorry, you need to take the course. Now, if we click on take course, it's going to lead us back to this course and we have to take this course from top. Now, if you guys want to learn how to create courses in LearnDash, we have a video tutorial on the topic. We will put the link in the video description so you guys can check it out. Alright, so that is how the challenge exams actually work. We hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. So thank you for watching. See you next time.